The worst part about the boots, actually, you can't use your hands for anything. But yeah, I'm really excited to be here. And yeah, great to meet you all. So Active and Thriving is a strategic behaviour change program that uses gamification, social networks, and science to create mentally, physically, and socially thriving workplaces. We've already got 13 amazing SaaS customers where we've got an MRR of $16,000 and a further $750,000 in the pipe. MongoDB, a global leader in technology, left one of the biggest providers in the world to become our third customer. The University of Queensland chose us over Bupa because of our employee protection system, a contract value of $60,000. Sorry, guys. I don't think we're on. Oh, no, we're on. There's your badges. Yeah, University of Queensland, ARR of $60,000, which is pretty awesome. We've also got some amazing partnerships that we're kicking off, including Prima EAP, which has 200 corporate clients in need of a digital mental health and wellbeing strategy. For dramatic. We founded Active and Thriving because workplaces are making people sick and it's costing them significant amounts of money. The average workers' comp claim is $75,000 for mental illness and 15 weeks off work. That is a huge problem when you consider 1 in 5 people at any point in time will have a mental health concern. There's about 150 people in this room tonight. That's a workers' comp risk of $2.2 million. No workplace can afford this. We are solving this problem. In 2015, La Trobe University had a skyrocketing workers' comp premium, up over $2 million every year. I was hired to solve this problem after successfully doing this for Brisbane City Council and in doing so winning them the gold standard for workplace wellbeing. I did this by following the promotion, prevention and early intervention model. And lo and behold, it ended up saving La Trobe Uni $500,000 on their premium each year. The model works and we've digitised it. Active and Thriving gives our clients a complete digital wellbeing solution to enable their wellbeing goals. And we do this through wellbeing themes, challenges at the individual and team level, and health promotion activities. We use our employee protection system to identify people that are at risk and give them early support. Team leaders are upskilled to build psychologically safe teams by giving them activities to do directly in the team environment. And every employee that signs up into Active and Thriving gets a unique experience based on their goals, interests, and health profile. And all of this is delivered on an easy-to-use and accessible app to make sustainable behaviour change easy. This leg's tired. So how are we doing this? What we've done is we've digitised 2 frameworks, the promotion, prevention, and early intervention model with the science model of behaviour change from our strategic advisor, Dr. Sean Young. Sean is the Executive Director of UCLA's Centre for Digital Behaviour Change and Prediction Technology. It's these 2 models that we call our employee protection system. It's our competitive advantage and it's why the University of Queensland chose us. When we first launched the employee protection system with a global client, it identified that 1 in 15 of their employees were high risk of a mental health concern. That's a risk of millions of dollars. After just 8 weeks, when we did the remeasure, 50% of those people have reduced their risk to either moderate or low. The model works. The global market for corporate wellbeing is $76 billion, and the Asia Pacific is the fastest growing region. We are targeting an ARR of $5 million within 3 years. We operate as a B2B SaaS model, and we price ourselves based on organisation headcount. These contract values are going to double as we start integrating the counselling services into our offering. We're targeting large organisations of knowledge-based workers, and our next key milestones for growth are landing in Singapore to target multinationals, where Louis, our co-founder, is currently based, and integrating into HR platforms. Our competitors are thinking one-dimensional, focused on either mental or physical well-being at a single point in time. Wellbeing is on a continuum, and it includes environmental, social, and personal factors. Active and Thriving encompasses all elements of wellbeing across the entire employee lifecycle. We have the team, there is a pain, we've got some amazing traction, and a product that's already beating the competition. We are raising $1 million to scale our technology team, build out our sales and marketing, and get our first 50,000 users within the following year. These are our next big steps. We're going to integrate people-centered counseling into our service. By adding a reward system and integrating with wearables, we're going to increase our user engagement. By linking into HR systems, we'll be getting useful data insights to provide more individualized care and also link us into another revenue channel. And then by creating an employee-focused marketplace, we're going to increase our revenue, but then also give more user-centric care. With that in mind, who's got the first question?